Alchemy is a coin that has done absolutely phenomenal. It has done 13,400% over the last few weeks. Guys, it has been on an absolute tear, and if you've been following this channel, you have been able to get on this massive movement. Well, it has now retraced to a level where I am now buying back in because it is at my buy zone I've been waiting for ever since this move has started. Guys, you do not want to miss this. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll dive right into it. So on Alchemy, if you've been on this channel, you know I called the initial break, and then I also did an update of showing you guys exactly where my expectations were for when I was going to be buying back in and where I was going to be taking profits. So let's go ahead and dive in on that and see exactly what's been playing out. Well, as you can see right here, we did go 13,459% in the last few weeks. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. And now let's go ahead and dive in and see exactly what levels I am talking about. Well, the most important levels on this chart, the one thing you need to be paying attention to is right here. Go to the Fibonacci extension or Fibonacci retracement tool, and you can see right now this price is between the 0.618 and the 702. This is considered the golden pocket region, and we're going to annotate it right there. Okay, so golden pocket region. We're going to go to the BTC pairing, do the exact same thing. And here, go to the very top. We are once again, where are we? Golden pocket region, guys. Okay, this is exactly where you would expect a major retracement to come down into. So the BTC and the USD pairing have both retraced to a very, very major support level. However, we're not done. We have other confluences we're also going to go over as well. So on the BTC pairing, for instance, go ahead and get rid of the Fibonacci retracements. We've already annotated it. Well, if you zoom out, go to the 3-day level, you guys can see this major breaker. I told you guys I expect this breaker to have a lot of support once we got above it. Well, we closed above it, and although we are below it right now, we have not closed below on the 3-day level. We have 1 day and 13 hours to get the bare minimum back inside this breaker and preferably back above it. So, although it does not look great right now, you must still understand this is still acting as a support level until we have officially lost it, which will not happen for 1 day and 13 hours. Okay, so be patient on this. And on the Alchemy chart, right here, we're going to do the exact same thing, get rid of our Fibonacci retracement we just drew out. And let's look at these levels. So the first level I'm going to talk about is right here. Let's get rid of this. And that was my old one. Right here, this 4-hour breaker is what we've been looking at. However, we've lost it, right? That actually does not look good. But if you go to the 1-hour chart, you guys can see if we take this entire consolidation, all of this movement, we are still solidly inside of this level. So although we've lost the 4-hour breaker, I do think, because I do think the correction of the overall market is dang near done, I do have a lot of faith we will be able to get back above here. Now, if we cannot get back above this level, probably the next 24 hours or so, I would start getting really concerned. But as of right now, I'm not that concerned right now because this entire level is providing a lot of support. And it is also inside of our golden pocket region that traditionally and historically has offered a ton of support over many, many, many different charts. Look up the golden pocket and understand the significance of that level. So I think it is a very good opportunity to be buying in this zone, and I absolutely most certainly am. Now, another thing I'm looking at, if you go to the 4-hour chart, you can see it really clearly. Look at this volume, okay? We had high volume on the increase, and on the decrease, we had low volume. Although we're dropping with quite a bit of strength, what it looks like, the volume profile is just not there. That means that although we are dropping in price, we're not having that many transactions that are happening, which means people are sitting on the sideline, okay? So once the volume starts picking up and we start starting the upside, I would expect that our volume to pick up. So this looks like a traditional bull flag to me. Having a strong volume impulse, slight corrective or a correction downward into a major retracement level. This is exactly what we want to see. Okay, so I like the overall structure. And on the BTC pairing, it looks very similar. Higher volume on the increase, lower volume on the decrease, right into our buy zone. this is a tremendous opportunity, I believe. So overall, I think things look fine. I get it. It was a hell of a correction, and I know a lot of people are freaking out. They don't know if this is going to be the end. You probably heard the expression, you buy when there's blood in the streets. We've already had a 70% drop from the highs. There's a lot of blood in the streets, and we haven't got a major retracement yet. So I think now is the perfect opportunity. So I am buying at this level. And for the first time in many weeks, I'm actually able to get a position here. So like right here, I post on Twitter. I posted this on Twitter on August 7th. That was 10 days ago. And it says, if you don't think I will take this play at the golden pocket 4-hour breaker, you are out of your freaking mind, right? Because this is a major, major support level, and we are currently trading inside of it right now. All right. Now, when this video gets released tomorrow morning, maybe we've lost through it. Maybe we've already bounced from it. But the point is, I am going to be buying at this level. And until we have officially lost it, I think it is a tremendous opportunity, and I absolutely will not miss out. So I cannot recommend you do so, as I'm not a financial advisor, but I absolutely am buying and have bought in this level. So, I post all the time different altcoin plays that I have going on, so make sure to check that out. I'll have in the card right above, and make sure to join my Discord server, guys. I talk on there all the time with people. I post a lot of plays. You guys don't see everything. If you want to get all the latest information and get to ask me questions and all that, make sure to join the Discord, because I do update people all the time on there. So outside of that, I will see you guys in the next video, and deuces, boys.